Hi, this is RockinRobin, and today for my Friday food review, I am making a Halloween yogurt bark. Very easy to make. Okay, so today we are making Halloween yogurt bark. First thing you need to do is you need to get a pan and put some parchment paper on there. Now, you need 2 cups of whole Greek plain yogurt. You need some vanilla. You need maybe a teaspoon of vanilla. And you will need 1/4 cup of honey. So when you get all that, you're going to take it and you are going to put it in the bowl. Now this is to decorate it after. You can use various different ways to decorate it. I'll show you a couple. But right now we're going to put those in the bowl, mix them up, and I'll give you the next step. You can also use these on it. They are some papaya, some raisins, different things. Pineapple, some coconut. And we're going to put that on part, and we're going to put this part, these little sprinkles on some of it. So let's get going. So I've got 2 cups of whole milk Greek yogurt, and I am putting in 1/4 cup of honey. Once that gets in, then I can put in some vanilla and mix it all up. Alrighty. A little bit more, it kind of sticks. Now I'm going to put in the vanilla. You're going to see I'm putting in 1 teaspoon of vanilla. That's all it takes. So those are the 3 main ingredients that we are going to start out with. And now I am going to mix it all around really good. And then we can go to the next phase. This is a very easy recipe, and it's very tasty. Let me get this spoon out of there. We don't need all the spoons. Now you can see I've mixed it pretty well. So I'm going to take that, and I'm going to put that on the baking sheet. And then I'm going to decorate it. So let's give it a try. So you want it to be about 1/4 inch thick. Now I'm going to put these little things on parts of it to make it look all Halloweeny. Isn't that cute? I love these little fruits because not everyone wants more sugar with the sprinkles. So this way you have some that have this, and then I will put the sprinkles on the other part. There's that part, and now we'll do the sprinkles. So I put some of those, and then I put the sprinkles. Now I like this sprinkle thing because you can pour it very easily, and you can see how I poured it. Now I put some, a lot on one side, not too much on the other, a little bit over there. Some people like the sprinkles, some people like the fruit. Some people maybe like a lot of sprinkles, some people make a little bit of sprinkles. Whatever it is you like, you can get any kind of sprinkles you want. And you could probably make this for Christmas if you wanted to make it with some Christmas sprinkles. But I like to do it for Halloween, and I like the different dried fruits. It's quite a variety. So the next thing that I'm going to do is I am going to take this and I am going to put it in the freezer for 2 hours. So let's put it in there, and then I'll come back and I'll show you the next step. So I just took them out of the freezer. Now I told you for 2 hours, but it took me 4 hours. They were not frozen at 4 hours. But you could see how they are here. So I am just going to take them apart slowly so I don't mess anything up. Like this. And then I'm going to cut little hunks like that. And I'll pick one up if I can. They're not completely frozen, but you can see them, and they look like little pieces right there of chocolate bark. So that is the recipe. I hope that you enjoyed it. Please ask me any questions. I'll give you some more recipes as I can. So I tasted this one. It is yummy. You're definitely going to like these. Let me know how you like them after you try them. So this is RockinRobin. Thank you so much for watching. Please remember to subscribe, hit the bell, give us a big thumbs up, and watch all our videos.